Welcome to the room tour for the MGM Grand Hotel here in Las Vegas. The MGM Grand Hotel and Casino is located straight across from the New York Casino there right on the Strip. Now this was a suite. It was a very nice room, but it was a long hike back to it. But the view was spectacular. It included a little wet bar. Of course, you don't want to touch that. All the food, as soon as you touch it, they'll charge you a very, very high fee. We didn't spend the night here, but we did get the hotel because it was comped. And the reason why we did that was instead of leaving the luggage with the valet, we had a room to relax in since we were taking the red eye all the way back to the East Coast. So it's always nice to have a room that you can just kind of chill out. And look, they even had a jacuzzi garden tub. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, I so miss mine. I used to have one when I lived in Fort Worth and it was amazing. A nice, roomy enough shower stall right next to it. But oh, I would have loved to use those jets. Man, that's amazing. So while we were here, we also decided to go ahead and order some room service. We weren't feeling too well. We needed something for our throats, and unfortunately the MGM casino area especially is very, very smoky. So that bothers me a lot. So we had some chicken noodle soup, and they gave us a whole bunch of crackers, and I couldn't resist getting a cheesecake. Oh, I love myself some desserts. Oh my goodness. But this is a very nice hotel room to stay in. It was very much worth it. It was a very nice time. Thanks guys for watching.